Hello everyone, today we'll be making some beautiful and interesting creative crafts using different items, so watch the video till the end. So first, here we are making the flower using the egg tray. Cut them in the shown shape, now put the clay in the between. Now using green marker, draw the leaves and it's ready. Next, take the green leaves and then color it using different colors. Now print them on the paper like this as shown in the video. After that, using earbuds, draw the dots like this, make the birds and your painting is ready. Next, we will take the sheet of a leaf shape. Now draw the lines on it and then put some black dots. Paste them together in a shape of a flower. Now take a yellow paper, cut it like this and put it in the between. Make few more flowers. Draw the stems using green marker like this. Draw the leaves using the papers and your painting is almost ready. Next, we will draw the ice cream. Put the clay like this. Now take the clays and roll them together and make the top part of the ice creams. Now put some different ice creams like this using the clays and your drawing is ready. Next, we'll take a marker and draw the lines like this. Join them. Now color it using orange color and make the carrots. Now take the green clay to make its leaves. Put some sand using brown color clay. Make some black dots on it to make the ant and your painting is ready. Next, take a white sheet and then put the green clay on it and spread it using the fingers. Make a hole in the between and using the spatula, draw the lines. Now take the pink color clay and join them like this to make the lotus. Put them onto each other and then make some dots in the between. Put it over the leaves and your lotus is almost ready. Make a sun using yellow clay and your painting is ready. Next, we will make a ice cream, so take a paper and paste it in a shape of a cone. Now put the clay and spread it. Put some different color clays to make the ice cream over the cone like this. Now taking two colors of clay, make the choco strips like this and then draw the check lines and it's ready. Next, we will draw a tree, so paste the branch of the tree using brown paper. Now put some paper strips like this. Now roll them and join them to the branches of the tree like this and your painting is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the round sheets and paste them like this. Make the eyes of the clown, make its nose and mouth. Now using different color markers, we will draw its hairs. Take a blue color paper and paste it on its neck and it's ready. Next, we will draw the grasses using the clay. Make the flowers like this. So first, we will take the brown color clay, paste it and draw the check lines using the spatula. Now using yellow clay, make the sunflowers, make the leaves. Now make the clouds on the sky using blue clay and it's ready. Next, take a green color clay and then press it using the fingers. Now using spatula, we will draw the lines on it. Now draw the stems using green marker like this. Now using pink color clay, we will make the lotus. Put the leaves like this, make the holes on it and your painting is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a red color clay and then make the round shape and paste it on the white sheet and spread it using the fingers. Put the sticks and your ice creams are ready. Next, cut out the red paper in a triangle shape. So here we are making a watermelon. Now draw its green part using green clay. Make the seeds using black color clay. Now draw the full watermelons using green clay like this and it's ready. Next, draw these crumbled lines using different color pens like this. Draw different emotions on it like this. Draw the eyes, monster faces and your painting is almost ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it.